Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we came with something good for you, especially people who are using internet a lot. And we realized and we made a research and we came to a conclusion that most people really use internet in South Africa. But even in the world, in the entire world, even those who don't have money, they force themselves to buy data, which is sometimes cheap, sometimes which is what discounted. Some people are good at looking for which internet options or packages should I take. But this time we came with a rain. We want to show you the best package for you on rain. Maybe next time we're gonna talk about the best package for you on MTN, best package for you on Vodacom, best package for you on Cell C and other networks. But for now, specifically, we're gonna talk about Rain because Rain is the best charmer for now. So each and every corner you go, everybody talks about Rain. Do you remember the time whereby I remember that by that time I was in high school, whereby every child wanted to have at least a Cell C SIM card. But now things have changed. Things also changed whereby Telcom SIM cards, people used to like them a lot, to say no, let's take Telcom SIM card. You must have a Telcom SIM card if you want cheap internet. And now we get what disappointed, whereby if someone is new, what we say, sometimes the companies which are when are new, they tend to be cheaper. By the time they gain customer base, they change, and now you don't have any place to go. But ever since Rain came, they haven't changed much based on my experience. So now what you're gonna do, go to Rain .co.za. They got a couple of packages. They're a little bit confusing if you haven't used them, but I'm gonna be honest to you, I've used some of them and I've done my conclusion and say I know each and almost every package I've used. What is it? How can you use? Who does it suit anyway? So if you got here, you can say welcome to your unlimited data network. And this is not a lie, guys. These guys, they give you unlimited data. This is a very new package. This one, it hasn't been much tested by our members, but now what we do is we're gonna try to show you the packages which are good. This one is good, but they say because we haven't tested it, we won't talk much about it. But I'm gonna show you the package which is okay for you, especially if it comes to budget and also self-discipline. You know, you can spend almost 8 to 12 hours on the internet. Sometimes it affects your work. You at work, you're busy on Facebook. You go at home, you're busy on Facebook. You go anywhere, you're busy whatever. But anyway, this is the best package if it comes to budget and good data. This one, it has a very good speed, and you see you can only pay 250. So the only thing is, like, you use it from where, from 11 p.m. to 6 p.m. So it means if you're a person who has an office, or who wants to use it during the day and at night you're always busy, starting from 6, for instance, I would say for a school, let me say something like that. Though these packages, I haven't seen the one for business, but I'm saying, for in case for a school, you can have this and use it from in the morning. Maybe the school opens at 6 or 5 in the morning, then you close at 2. This is a very good package. One of the best thing about this package, there's no limitation on speed. When you click here, it says 19 hours unlimited off-peak data every day, off-peak 11 p.m. to 6 p.m. next day. So it's a 50 runs a gig during peak 6 to 11 p.m. Set your monthly peak gig limit. Use on any 4G enabled devices. This service is best effort service. So this is not a lie. Whatever they tell you here is 100% correct. Why? I've used this for a long time. You get me? The only thing you get frustrated when it comes after 6 when you want to use internet. But anyway, they have an option whereby you can buy a gig for 50 rands, but you can set your budget to maybe 100 rands or 150. That simply means you're gonna be spending 350 on that. You get me? This one, you can see even they don't show you the speed. Why? They don't limit on the speed. There's no limit on the speed. You get me? So that's, guys, I really recommend this 100%. Why? It's cheap. 250, it's affordable. Even if you say I'm gonna be looking for 50 rands every after 5 days, in a month at least you have 200. Maybe let's say you're gonna look for 75 rand every week, or let me say you're gonna be saving 10 rand every day for your package. This one you can afford, even get more extra cash on that. So this is one of the packages I would say, yes, I recommend this. Take this to test. If you say I don't trust Rain, or their network is not good, or whatever, all those things people talk about Rain, is fine. You can say whatever you want, it's true. Once you don't understand something, you judge it. Why? I once had a modem for Rain and I was using it in the house. I could not get any network, and I was busy crying and say, no, this Rain network is useless, whatever. So the problem is, like, you in a person, sometimes you can find these modems, they are wireless. It's not like fiber, or it's not like ADSL whereby the connection come by wire. This is wireless, so it simply means if there are many things which are blocking these the network, like maybe the waves and stuff, so you won't get good signal. So what I did, I talked to Rain. I got what they call the outdoor modem, which is this. I mounted it on the roof. Even I have one of the videos when I mounted this on the roof. This one also uses a 4G inside, but it comes with a 5G. I put it on the roof. I got 250 to 350 megabytes per second. But in the house, I could not get more than 2 megabytes, more than one. What I was getting, I was getting 1 megabyte, less than a megabyte, 0. What. You understand all that? So people just say because they don't want to do what they call a research. So now we move here, back here. 4G for say 4G for phones, unlimited data at it's okay. Let me click here. Nothing is there. You see, this is a new package. This one, they say unlimited data, best quality streaming resolution for use on 4G phones only. Listen to this. They say phones only. So you cannot take this SIM card and put it in a modem and want to use it. So they say they restrict you that. You get me? So you can see it say 360p. So you understand. So this is only designed for phones. There is no even hotspotting. You don't have to hotspot anyone. So you have to use it yourself. And you can see it's 379, almost approximately 400. So to pay this, I rather pay this and get limited, or I pay this. That's me. I'm just saying that me. You can choose whatever package you want. I've been using this one. I've used on this one. Those are 2. I've used this. These are 3. How many packages they have? They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 5, I've used 3 of them. You get me? So there's no need for me to do what to say no or to any of the packages, because I know them. So this one is cheaper, but now there's limitation also on speed. So I'm saying, guys, the packages, you can take this. This is a 24 hours. If you're not going to use on hotspotting people, also you're going to use it on your laptop, you want to use it on your phone. For instance, you're doing Uber Eats, you're doing Take a Lot, you a person always on the road, you need data all the time to navigate where you're going. Better use this. This is good for you. But if you're working during the day, also this is good for you. So after work, you put down. But you know, sometimes people who are working Uber Eats and whatever, also Uber, they work at night, so this wouldn't be a good one for you. So unless if you say you don't work at after 6, but if you're working through the night, Uber Eats, Uber, itself, please take this one. This is gonna be good for you. Okay, done. So now we're gonna go here and see this one. Is pretty good also, but it could be a little bit expensive if you don't have money, but they say it goes until up to 10 megabytes per second. Did you see what I told you here? There's no limitation on whatever. So if you're in an area which can give you 40 megabytes per second here, or 50, you can get this. If you have a powerful modem, you can get that. But this one, if you're in an area which has at least which can give you maybe 2 or maybe 20, 40, 50, 60 megabytes per second, you can't, because they limit it on the speed here. But this, you can put it in any Wi-Fi modem, you can put it in a phone, you can put it in any type of a router. That's why it's good for home. This one, if you're at home and you have a good whatever, you have a family, maybe 4 5 in the family, you can use this. And also it's not that much expensive, 400 or 500, approximately 500 for everybody to use in the house. I think this is gonna be good for you. We go to this package 6 unlimited home 5G standard. Okay, so this one, they do what they say. You're gonna do what, you're gonna get 730 megabytes per second. Let's make calculations. The difference between this and this is 300 rands, not so. You tell yourself you're on 5G, but you're gonna be running on 30 megabytes per second. I don't understand that. Yet this one can even give you 40 to 50 megabytes per second, and here you're gonna pay what, 600 or 700. And to take this, to my own experience, I better take this one for the 1,000. This one can give you 250 300 megabytes per second, depending where you are. So both of these, if you don't have money, if you have money, take this. I don't recommend this myself. This is myself. To take this, I better take this. To me, I'm saving money here and I'm doing almost the same. Okay, anyway, here they say they give me 30 megabytes per second, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you're gonna get that 30 megabytes. Why? It can happen you are in a bad area and you get 10 megabytes per second here, or you can get maybe 5 megabytes per second, even 2 megabytes per second here, and you're paying 700. So here the chances can be like you can have paying this money and then you get 9 megabytes per second, 8 megabytes per second. I'm paying less and I'm getting good speed, and you can pay more here and get bad speed. That's a thing, guys. So I don't recommend this myself. It depends. You can test, use whatever package you want to use, but here it just, I'm highlighting on what is good, what is not bad. This is 100% perfect package for anyone. So but now the problem is comes if it comes to money. Payments, 1,000 rand, you're gonna spend 12,000 rands each and every year on your internet. And this is, remember, this is not a company, it's home. But if you guys, you can afford, this is the best rain package. But anyway, if you get this, don't put it on inside the house, put it on the roof. You're gonna get good speed. You will never ever complain on this. But if you're in a bad area and you don't put it on the roof, you're gonna complain and you think like the network is not good, yet you are the one putting this thing. You know, these wireless modems are not good at in the house, because every time when they tell you, say put it next to the window, what if you don't have a window? Do you understand? So better mount it on the roof, then you get the right speed. So guys, I think that this is the this tutorial helps. And if you have any question, if you're staying around Johannesburg, I do sometimes some support, and support small businesses and individuals. So we can do, I'm gonna leave my WhatsApp number in the description, and also maybe you can comment with your WhatsApp number, and if you need any help, I can give you some help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.